Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply flip or mirror objects in GIMP like this one right here. So basically there's two ways to do this. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your toolbar or your toolbox, and then we want to head over to the transform tools, right click on it, and just simply look for the flip option. As a shortcut, you can also press Shift F on your keyboard, but if it's not on the toolbox, we could also head over to Tools, click Transform Tools, and there's going to be this flip option. So just make sure that it is selected. Your cursor will then change, and then you could select the image that you want to flip or mirror, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.